Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can seamlessly hide that this shop will be powered by Shopify message from your password protection page, specifically if you're using the Shopify Dawn theme. This is a simple customization you can do directly inside your theme, and you don't need any apps or paid tools to make it happen. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but removing this message can give your store a cleaner and more professional look, which is always a plus when you're trying to create a cohesive brand presence online. Especially if you're running a pre-launch, a private sale, or building hype before launch, keeping everything fully branded helps your store feel more polished and intentional. To get started, you'll need to open your site editor. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner. You'll notice an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a few different options. From these, we want to select Edit Code. This is where all the magic happens, because this section lets you directly control how your theme behaves behind the scenes. Now that you're inside the code editor, you'll see a list of options, including folders and files related to your theme's code. Look for a folder labeled Sections. This is where you'll find various code files that make up different parts of your Shopify theme, like headers, footers, and other reusable layout components. What you're searching for is the file named footer.liquid. This file, as the name suggests, contains the code that structures the footer section of your site. Since the Powered by Shopify text lives in the footer, this is the exact place where we need to make our change. Once you have the footer.liquid file open, you'll need to use the find function. This useful feature allows you to quickly locate bits of code without having to scroll through everything manually, which is especially helpful if the file looks long or intimidating at first. Usually you can access this search function by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. In the search bar that appears, type in Powered by link. This is the specific line of code responsible for displaying the Powered by Shopify text, and searching for it ensures you're only removing the exact element we want without touching anything else. When you've located this line, you want to delete it. Simply highlight the line and hit the delete button. Now, you might feel a bit nervous about deleting code, and that's totally normal, but rest assured, removing this particular line won't affect the rest of your site. It won't break your layout or functionality. It will simply prevent the Powered by Shopify message from showing up. After you've deleted the line, don't forget to save your changes. You can usually do this by clicking the Save button or using the shortcut, which is often Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on a Mac. Saving right away ensures your update is applied immediately. Once your changes are saved, refresh your website, and you'll notice that the Powered by Shopify text has disappeared from your password protection page. This confirms that everything worked correctly and that your branding now looks cleaner and more custom. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to make your Shopify store appear more unique and tailored to your brand. These small tweaks really add up when it comes to building trust and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next video.